Hi Pisces, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a mid-month reading for September. How we'll go about with the video is we'll see what are the energies that are there for you starting 15th of September till the end of this month. So let's go ahead and begin and see what we have for you. The first card that I see for you is the Strength card, the Devil card, and the Hierophant. Now with Strength card, it is Leo energy because there is maybe a situation that you're dealing with, or this could be something that's happening in the current relationship that you are in, where you will have to go ahead and put in a lot of courage and bravery in order to deal with a situation. So you have to go ahead and put a lot of work there. You have to be brave at the same time, and you have to put in a lot of strength. Okay, so that's what I'm getting, that you have to really put in a lot of effort to maybe even sort out a situation if that's the case for you. The second card that I see for you is the Devil card, which means that there could be some negative energy in and around you or this relationship, or maybe your person as well. So this negative energy could be anything. It could be negative people, it could be a negative habit, sex, drugs, alcohol, anything which is negative, which is causing you or this relationship to go ahead and go, south, is where this negative energy is hampering this current situation. Your third card is the Hierophant, which is Taurus energy, and with that it means marriage commitment. So what I'm understanding from this spread is that you need to put in a lot of courage and strength to take out something negative which is impacting maybe your committed relationship or a marriage. Okay, something which is there which is causing a lot of negativity in your relationship. Now let's go ahead and see why we have this Strength card. So the Strength card is with the Eight of Cups. This means that you will have to put in a lot of courage to walk away from a situation. Now this is for some of you, not everyone, but if the situation is really bad and you feel that the best option that you have is to walk away from a particular situation, a relationship, a person, something, okay, totally depending on your individual circumstances, then that is where you will have to put in a lot of strength, because maybe it's really difficult. Maybe you're emotionally connected to this person, and walking away is something that will be really tough and difficult for you. Now let's see why we have this Devil card here. That's with the Justice card. Now for some of you, if you're currently involved in a legal case, then victory will be yours, because it means that even though you have negativity somewhere around you, okay, you will still get justice in this situation. Now let's also go ahead and see why do we have the Hierophant card. Now the Hierophant card is with the Four of Swords. Now Four of Swords means, you want to take a small break, okay, because maybe you don't have the energy, or you're not understanding how to take care of the situation. So you want to take a small break because you want to go ahead and reassess that entire situation, and then decide what is the best course of action for you now going forward. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what is the message that we have for you from the Moonology Oracle cards. So the message that I have is prosperity will be yours. Now this means that in future prosperity will be yours. Things will be working out in your favor. Good things are lying for you in the future. You just need to put in a lot of work and have a little bit of faith, and things will work for you. So that's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. It keeps me motivated to go ahead and create videos for all of you. And with this, like I always say, stay safe, love yourself first.